Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea of the Week. It's never a bad time to get a boost of nutrients and vitamins, but during cold and flu season, it's especially important. Support your immune system with this herbal, fruity blend of 5 ingredients. Organic Vita Me. Organic green rooibos is a type of herbal tea that comes from the leaves of the rooibos plant, just like red rooibos. This herbal tea contains 6 times the amount of antioxidants as green tea and is full of nutrients. Green rooibos is a source of essential minerals like calcium, potassium, magnesium, and zinc. Additionally, green rooibos contains vitamin C, an essential nutrient that supports the immune system, promotes healthy skin, and aids in wound healing. Organic schisandra berries, also known as five-flavor berry, have a long history of use in traditional Chinese medicine. They are prized for their unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds. Schisandra berries contain vitamin A, vitamin E, potassium, calcium, and iron and offer benefits for cognitive function, immune health, skin health, and inflammation. Organic elderberries, grown on the elder tree, are known for their rich nutritional profile and benefits. Elderberries are a fantastic source of vitamin C, which is well known for its immune-boosting properties. These berries also contain dietary fiber, vitamin A, antioxidants, and minerals, along with being anti-inflammatory and antiviral. Organic goji berries are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin A, beta-carotene, vitamin B2, and minerals including potassium, iron, and zinc. These vitamins and minerals provide many health benefits for vision, blood sugar levels, digestion, and the immune system. Organic hibiscus is a beautiful flower that is rich in beneficial compounds. Hibiscus provides essential minerals such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These minerals are important for maintaining healthy blood pressure, strong bones, and overall muscle and nerve function. Additionally, hibiscus has high levels of anthocyanins, flavonoids, and polyphenols, which are potent antioxidants. For this week's recipe, we're bringing you a delightfully fruity iced latte featuring organic Vita Me tea. This is our iced Vita Me berries and cream latte. Start by steeping a couple teaspoons of organic Vita Me tea in 8 ounces of near-boiling filtered water. While that steeps, muddle some raspberries and blackberries. Add the berries, some ice, and coconut milk to a glass. Then top with your steeped tea and garnish with additional berries if you like. Thank you once again for being a part of our vibrant tea-loving community. We can't wait to continue sharing more tea discoveries with you in the weeks to come. Until then, stay healthy, stay curious, and sip on.